They have started moving out. I'm starting part 3. Really did a lot of planning up here. And Macworf, our designated pilot for today, is arming up some boxes and stuffing them in a car, and then stuffing the car in a plane. And that, it's already 3:40 in-game time. The sun's starting to come up. G's are gonna get a little brighter. First objective, comms post. All they gotta do is take it. They ain't gotta blow anything up here. They've also got some cars for the stealing. One anti-tank one and a couple of transports. UAZs. And the opportunity to steal a GMG, a mortar, and another mortar. They're not fully armed. Oh, they are. That's not right. It should be like not fully armed. That one's half armed. Okay. Not fully armed mortars. Because then they'll just spam that and they won't do anything. And then I'll have to send enemies up here to go take them down. What was this box again? Oh. Just some random assortment of weapons, I guess. U.S. Army Special Weapons. Really? These are special? Okay. Alright. That wasn't exactly what I was expecting in that box, but okay. Ooh, I need to go back over here. I forgot I was doing something at one point. This guy's personal guard and officer himself. Don't copyright the radio, please. I have no idea what song it is. Alright, curious for some intel. Laptop. Payment contract. 20 seconds. False. Oh, shit. There we go. It's daytime. I can turn off these. Ah, shit. They've engaged. Oh, they've already got a wounded man. It's Dimitri. Drag him back. Hell yeah, work together, guys. Nice. Using that window of opportunity. Ha ha ha.
Form on me.
Ooh, I forgot. Oh, just gonna score. Hey, that's not a kill. Oof. Man down.
Over.
Oh, you took him down. Good job.
Fall back.
Called Jericho. Celebration.
Radio check, radio check.
This is Jericho. I am receiving.
What am I supposed to do with men who have died?
Roger, you can reinsert them into the battlefield.
Roger that. And what about air traffic control, or are they not there anymore?
They're on a permanent coffee break. Do as you please.
This is
Roger that.
Commissioner to Jericho. Do you copy?
Understood, Commissioner. This is Jericho. I am receiving.
Roger, we believe we have taken the comm station. How copy?
Understood. This I can confirm. All other objectives are now free reign.
Roger that.
Alright, so objective. Completed. I'll just say radio waves. Completed. Take control of the radio waves.
User left your channel.
This is Commissioner to Jericho. Do you copy?
Understood. This is Jericho.
We believe we have killed some form of officer. He was wearing a red beret at the comms depot.
Roger. He was probably the comms depot commander.
Roger. Commissioner out.
Junior officers do not count as HVTs. Just targets.
Commissioner, this is Spook. I am doing a long-range check. How copy?
Well, he didn't say Jericho, so I'm not going to reply. Because that's how that works. But if he wants to ask Jericho if he can hear him, you can do that. Ah yes, climbing the tower. And looking over the beautiful countryside of Sahrani with that tree in the way. And then rappelling off the middle of it, because that's how these water towers tend to work with this. What are you doing? Oh, jeez. What the hell happened? Oh. There, I saved again for you. Well, why you always gotta drop everything so high up? Friendly aircraft, be advised, this is your second passover. The enemy may be preparing their AA defenses now, so be careful on your next approach. How copy? Friendly aircraft, how copy? Oh well. Who's left in the AO? Alright. This guy. Skill. Let's do his spotting. Time up, distance low. Okay. It'd probably be best if we moved him over a little as well so he doesn't smack that wall immediately. Knowing ArmA AI, it's highly likely to happen. Okay, I guess I'll cut this here. Make a part 4.